Alright, good day guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forex. Make sure you click the subscribe button. So on today's topic, we are teaching support and resistance trading for beginners. Yes, support and resistance trading. Join me as I try to break down support and resistance levels in a way that is super easy to understand. Yeah, this video is created for beginners, and like I said, it's super easier to understand. So many traders overlook support and resistance levels in trading, and that is one of their biggest mistakes. Yes, don't overlook support and resistance levels in trading. This is why support and resistance or key levels are one of the most important things you must master in trading. Yes, support and resistance levels are very vital in trading and very important in trading. Never said you don't need it. Make sure you know it and use it for your everyday trading. The point of drawing key levels is that it makes it easier to understand the direction of the market. Yes, support and resistance helps and makes it easier for you to understand the direction of the market. So enough of all this talk, let's dive in. So I'll start by saying support, a thing that bears the weight of something or keeps it upright or upward. Yeah, support is a thing that bears the weight of something that or keeps it upward or upright. Support is for buys. Yes, support is for buys trade. Support is for buy trade. Yes, support is for buy trade. Like, see this angle right here, this is support level. Yes, and I'll tell you how to draw the support level. So let's dive into it. So back, resistance in trading. Resistance is a price level on a chart where selling pressure is expected to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising upwards. Yes, resistance in trading. Resistance is the price level on a chart where selling pressure is expected to be strong. Yes, it's expected to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising forward. Yes, resistance are for sales. If you follow what the definition says, resistance are made for sales, I mean for sell trades, and are made for short trade. Yeah, so traders identify support and resistance level by observing past price action. Yes, by observing past price action. You don't identify support and resistance levels by present price action. No, by past price action. You look towards your left hand side of the chart, then you draw your support and resistance levels, looking for areas where the price has previously failed to break through, either upward or downward. Yeah, upward for resistance and downward for support. Yeah, so I'm teaching how to identify support and resistance. Number one, look for previous price action point. Look for previous reversal point. Look for previous reversal point. So let me show you reversal points. If you check out very well, you will see that this same level I talked about, this same level is a level that price has rejected so many times, and this is a good support level, and I will tell you why. Use chart patterns. Use chart patterns. We mean chart patterns in a way that you can use. This is a pin bar now. With this pin bar, this is a pin bar in this level. This level here is a pin bar right here. Yes, this level right here is a pin bar. So we learn to use pin bar. Let me draw it for you guys here. This green candle here, yes, this green candle here identifies a pin bar. So yes, we look at previous chart patterns and you get your support and resistance level. Monitor areas with high trading volume. Yes, there's a secret I have on this. Monitor areas with high trading volume. This is, for example, let me use illustration. I use random figures. This is my secret. Yes, random figures. So For instance, you go to a market, let's say you go to a market to buy a palm slippers, and they tell you the price is 5,000. What is they tell you the price is 5,200. The next thing that will be in your mind to price it is 5,000 or 4,500. So yeah, that is random figures. People are most likely to buy for random figures because this is the strategy and this always work. So yeah, breakout above resistance or below support level can lead to significant price movements. Yes, and breakout below support and resistance level can lead to significant price movements. Let me tell you key consolidations when using support and resistance levels. Key consolidations when using support and resistance levels. So let me show you. This is how to draw support and resistance level. There are 3 steps here, and I'm going to be teaching you the 3 steps. So number 1, support and resistance level can switch role. If broken, this means a previous support can become a future resistance and vice versa. Yes, a future support can become a previous support can become a future resistance. Yes, excellent. These levels are not exact price but rather zones. They are zones. Take note of this. When I will be teaching how to draw this, these levels are zones. They are not exact price. When we mean zones, zones are like this. Let me draw a zone for you. Zones are like this. From here, zone are like this. Zone is much bigger than just a price. Are you seeing how big this is? Yes, this is exactly what we call a zone. Support and resistance are zones. Take this. When we're drawing it, you're going to be using it. So always use other indicators and risk management for better trading decisions. Yes, we are always advise you to use other trading indicators and risk management for better trading decisions. So let me teach you how to draw this. Number 1, my secret on how I draw my support and resistance is I look for multiple rejections. Yes, multiple price rejections. Let's draw a support. If you look closely at this level where this line is, you will see that we are having multiple rejections. Let's count. We have 1, we had 2, we had 3, and we had 4. Yeah, so this is telling us that this is a clear support level, and we draw our support level in zones. I hope you took note of that. We draw our support levels in zones. So yeah, this is a zone. We draw our support level like this. I told you from the previous market chart from the left hand side. So yes, this is support level, and you cannot just trade with only support. You also need the resistance levels to know where your buys can stop. And also during a resistance level, we also follow this multiple rejections. Yes, where the price has rejected to go above. Yes, but for price where the market has rejected to go below for buys. Yes, so let's draw for support. This line, if you watch closely, let's count it. Multiple rejections. 1 rejected here, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. And watch this closely. I'm going to clone this exactly to show you guys some trick. Let me clone it. Let me clone this. Clone. Yes, I'm going to put it exactly here. Remember, we counted it. Yes, that's it. So if you watch closely now, you will see that this resistance level had how many touches? Let's go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, it touch and go on to the upside. Watch this. I told you previous, watch this, 3 and 4. This was a support level. This was a previous resistance level. This level right here, this level right here was a resistance level. And the thing came back here and made a support level, also came back here and made a support level, and came back here and made a resistance level. So yeah, when I told you that a support level can become a resistance level in the future, and a resistance level can become a support level in the future, this is exactly what I mean. These are just key, we call them key levels. Easier for you to understand, just know them as key levels. Yes, they are called key levels in trading. So this is exactly how to draw your support and resistance levels. So yeah, and also please leave a comment on your experience with Forex, with support and resistance in Forex trading. Yeah, thank you. And also check out on my next video for more trading tips and more beginners and experienced Forex trading courses. Thank you. Excel Forex. Make sure you click the subscribe button.